We're told to select all ordered pairs that are solutions to the equation 2x plus y is equal to 8, and we need to pick two of these answers. So pause the video, have a go at that. All right, well, the easiest way to do this is to actually just substitute the x and the y in to see if it satisfies this equation. So let's try out choice A. If x is 5 and y is 1, then it would be 2, whoops, you can't see that. It would be 2 times 5 plus 1. 2 times 5 plus 1 is going to be 10 plus 1, which is equal to 11, not 8. So I don't like that one. Let's try this one. 2 times 3. Now, x is 3. 2 times 3 plus 2 is, let's see, this is 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. I like this one. I'll select that one. Here, we're going to have 2 times, now in this situation, x is 1. 2 times 1 plus 6. Well, that's 2 plus 6, which is indeed equal to 8. So we are essentially done, but let's just validate this last one doesn't work. It's going to be 2 times this x, which is 2, plus this y, which is 6. This is going to be 4 plus 6, which is 10, which indeed does not work.